The 2014 Dodge Avenger. The Avenger combines strength with fuel efficiency to ensure that its sporty looks do not deceive. Electronic stability control is designed to help you maintain control during inclement driving conditions. Surprisingly roomy, with the Avenger you can have the sporty-looking car you want and still get the storage space you need. And it's priced below $30,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, airbags, four-wheel ABS, air conditioning, power steering, keyless entry, floor mats, aluminum wheels. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.